This is in Auberge Island in Hyogo Prefecture. It's an island that sits between the main Honshu Island and Shikoku Island. And this is a place called Hotel Ridge because it's a boutique hotel that's along the ridge. It's in Tokushima Prefecture and a place called Naruto. Not the Naruto anime, but Naruto is known, it's an area that's known for its whirlpools, which is among the three the largest and most intense ocean whirlpools in the world. This is 103. The room type is called Waso, which is Japanese type. There's not many categories of room, there's just two types. One is Western and one is Japanese. And this is Japanese, but it's not super Japanesey like you find in a lot of other ryokans. And I'll explain the difference in a minute. Anyway, so this is the you can see the beautiful ocean, and then this is the room. Wa is another word for Japan or Japanese. And so this is wa because it's not a futon bed, but it's a bed that's kind of sits low. But it is a bed. And as you can see here, two large beds, the main room, Hotel Ridge bathrobes. I won't open it for now. It's nothing special, but there's a closet where they have the samui, which are the pajama style outfits. And then over here, you have a TV, sitting area, a vanity area, and then over here, you see the view. Actually, let's see it from here. I'm not going to bother opening the window because it's good enough from here. You can see the bridge. So anyway, this area is not well known among Westerners or foreigners, but the two things is the Naruto Whirlpools, which you can get really up close and personal via a boat, or actually from that bridge you can peer down. There's a walkway on the underbelly of the bridge, and it's glass, so you can actually enjoy the whirlpools that way. And the other is Otsuka Museum of Art, which is world renowned for a lot of the things that are in there. Anyways, this is the toilet. Again, Japanese style. Hello. Yep. And then over here, it's a bath and a shower. And then the deck extends beyond this way. You can actually open up this window if you want an open air experience. One thing to note, the bath in the room is not of the onsen, which is Japanese for natural hot springs. So it's not of the onsen variety. We just learned, much to our delight, that they do have a public bath on site for paying guests where they can stay. They can try out the public bath, which is an onsen. So we're actually going to go right after this. Anyways, so that is Hotel Ridge. This is the Waso room. There's another one that's a Western style room. Not much difference in terms of size, amenities, features. The price is pretty much the same, if not exactly the same. But so this is Hotel Ridge. They have fine dining, both Japanese kaiseki style as well as French with French but with Japanese ingredients and some seasonings. So that's what we're going to have tonight. Anyways, Hotel Ridge in Naruto, Awaji Island, Tokushima. Actually, you know what? I said Hyogo earlier. This is Tokushima Prefecture in the island of Shikoku. It's about an hour and so from Kobe, and maybe an hour and a half from Osaka. So a little bit out of the way, but if you want to see the whirlpools or go see a nice museum, or you want to go further afield in other parts of Shikoku, this is a good starting point or ending point in terms of staying somewhere if you're coming from Osaka, Kyoto, or Kobe. Hope you enjoyed.